Hello everyone, this is Vishal. Welcome to IndieTech. This video is about few hidden and useful features of Poco. Basically, these features are available on all Poco devices and few are also available on Redmi devices. Let's check them out. Starting with our first feature, that is the -1 screen. If you swipe left from your home screen, you'll find the -1 screen. So by default, here is the app vault, which is provided by Poco, and it's totally shit because it contains suggestions and other ad stuff. So how to remove it or change it? You need to go to the app vault. From there, click on the top right button. There is the three lines. Come to additional settings. There you will find home screen. In home screen, you have -1 screen. Click on it. You will find the options. You can either choose app vault or Google Discover or none. I choose Google Discover since I use Google Feeds. So this is a quite useful feature. Moving on to our next feature, and very important one, how to stop ads in your Poco launcher. Xiaomi calls this the suggestions, but basically they are ads. You need to go into your app launcher, click on the three dots on the top right, go again to the home screen. Here you will see an option called show suggestions. By default it's toggle on. You need to just off it, and that's it, done. Your ads will be gone. So moving on to our next feature. Basically Poco phones have this feature for which people buy it, that is the app drawer. So what about the home screen now? You need the home screen log, right? So yes, you can log the home screen too. Go back to the same place, that is click on the top right corner, go to the home screen, and here you can find lock home screen layout. Click on that, which will lock your home screen layout. That means you cannot change it afterwards after locking this, or any new apps which are installed won't be appearing on your home screen because you have literally a app drawer for that. Next, above that is the fill empty cells option, so you can use that too. So yes, these are quite useful features. Our next feature again is related to the app drawer. You can find at the bottom of the app drawer a few color garments. What this basically does is categorizes the apps based on the color, that is red, yellow, green, blue or grey. So yeah, this is a quite useful feature if you don't remember the name of the app you're using, but visually you remember that how the app is seen. So how do you do this? You again need to go to the top right corner and click on these three lines. Go down into additional settings and click on the app drawer. Here you have group icons by color option. You need to just toggle them on. If you want animations in them, you can even add animations to it. So yes, these two are the basic things which will categorize the apps based on the color. So here you are. This is a quite useful feature if you have a ton of apps and you don't remember their names. Our next feature is again related to the app drawer, that is app drawer's background transparency. You can see that my app drawer is transparent a bit by default. So how do you change that? Unfreeze it. Again go click on those three lines in the top right corner. Go to the backgrounds in the personalization section, and there you can see that you have various options and a preview of how it will look. By firstly, you can either select the light theme or the dark theme or the system theme, and next below it is the transparency. Either you can keep it 25%, 50%, 75% or 100%. I would like to keep it 25% because it looks premium, and you should click it apply. It's applied. So next feature in the line is how to customize the app icons, or the number of icons which appear in your home screen and the app drawer. You just need to go to the app drawer again, click on those three lines on the top right corner, and then you can find the icon pack. Either you can change the add icon pack which you have downloaded from the other themes, or click the Poco theme which is there by default, and come back and you will find the customized layout option. In the customized layout option, you can either choose the number of apps appearing in a single line, that is either 3, 4 or 5, or you can even choose the size of those apps depending on your ease and how you like it. I like it small and 5, so yeah, I have the options like that. Our next feature in the line is the game turbo. You need to click on settings, scroll down, you'll find special features. Click on it. There you'll find Game Turbo. So Game Turbo is basically a space where if you add any apps, that apps will get optimized. That means you'll get a better CPU percentage and a GPU percentage with the app for its better performance. If you click on the add game option, you can see that few apps can be added which are not even games. For example, Instagram. So if I add Instagram, by default performance of Instagram would be increased. That is, if I need to change the settings, you can click on the top right, whatever that icon is, and there you go. There are the settings of your game enhancer. So as gamers, this is a quite useful feature. So the best feature for the last. Yes, this feature is quite useful and it is known as the quick reply option. I'll just show you how to toggle it on before I show you what it is. You just need to go to settings, go down and click special features. There you have quick replies, and you just need to on the quick replies over here, and you can select the available apps which you want the quick replies on. So you can see I have toggled it on for most of the apps which I use. So yes, now I'll show you what this thing does. So what quick reply basically does is, while you're using your mobile and you got a message like this one over here, you tap on the notification and there you go, you have a small window, and you don't need to switch out of the present app, and you can directly type whatever is going on. And you can even rescale this over here using this rescale option, or you can just directly go into the app from there. So this is a quite handy feature. Thanks Xiaomi for that. Alright guys, that's it for the video. If you do like the video, a subscribe would be appreciating, as this was my first video, so stay tuned on the channel. Thank you guys, this is Vishal, you're watching AnyTech.